God has something new and fresh. You got to believe because His compassion and mercies are new every morning. And so they were looking back and they were afraid that the Pharaoh and the chariots will take them again. The Pharaoh and chariots are pursuing them and they are afraid. So they want to go back to Egypt. And finally, they came to that valley surrounded by mountain, and in front of them is the Red Sea. Could you just imagine? What is this, Lord? The people of God will be saying, what is this? You set us free from Egypt, bondage in Egypt. Here we are. There's no way to go. There is no way to go. Have you experienced that when there seems to be no way? But God will make a way. There's a hidden way, according to Psalm 77. There's a hidden way that we cannot see by our own naked eye. And the Lord will make a way. And the Lord did make a way, as God told Moses, you have the rod, and then you declare the word. Moses obeyed the word of God, and God parted the Red Sea. But don't look back in the past. If you truly want to experience new things, do not remember the former. You know, our mind is not perfect. I know, Pastor, sometimes I remember, but do something about it by the grace of God. If you remember what happened in the past, especially the trauma in the past, and it's still hurting you for 3 months, 6 months now, 1 year, 2 years, name it. You got to be prayerful. When it reminds you, pray.